morning. There are two reasons for using React and not Flutter. Because first, Google can dispose Flutter at every moment. Second, you can use every web component in React.
Open in VS Code. Yes, I trust the authors, of course. I'm the author. So I'm trusting myself, yeah. So the newest Ionic framework is Ionic 6. So I would like to install Ionic 6. And hopefully all dependencies will be installed and now you get a time zone soon. I'm happy to implement it in the video. I got this big chunky cup gifted at Christmas and it's absolutely worth it because it's like as huge as my hand, and my hand isn't even huge, but the cup is huge and I can drink all afternoon from one cup. That's great, like a half liter in here. Perfect. Ooh, they even got a loading animation. That's new. The dependencies are still loading. That's great. Let's see what they have. What tools they have. Choose over 100 beautiful mobile-ready UI components, animations, gestures, and lightweight, and customize to fit your brand. That's what I needed. UI components. Okay, a lot. Badges, buttons, chips, checkbox, cards. Okay, it's pretty much like material.io/components. Maybe you're familiar with material design. They have the whole components for Android, and I think they support Flutter and iOS and web. Or I try to. And I used Android a lot in the past, so I'm familiar with the things they have. The funny thing, they mentioned the banners, and they don't have banners for Android. That's kind of sad because banners are cool. Like no Android implementation guidance available, but they will have it in the web. And what means React? I can use every component for the React Ionic app. That's another advantage. Date pickers, okay, cool. Input, the input thing could be interesting if I have to check phone numbers, which I will. Infinite scroll, what is an okay, like an infinite scroll, okay, I get it. It's like on Instagram if you have a feed. Oh yeah, that's cool. Number input and I can put letters. We can work it out. Grid is cool. An item. What is an item? Delete, reordered, edited and more. Okay. Like we have 99 problems in which one? Navigation. So users move between different pages in your app. Oh, that's so cool. So advanced stuff. Like we could use. We are using React. Where's your React? Okay, Angular. Okay. That's navigation. Enough component. Modals are cool. What is a popover? Modals are those dialogues popping up from the bottom. Here's the modal. Open sheet model and then we can swipe it open. Can I use it every time? Yeah, I can. That's absolutely what I look for. Cool. You can interact with the sheet even with the buttons until the sheet is fully expanded. That's nice. Right clicking. Okay, there are popovers. That's cool. Search bar is very useful. Select, I don't know what select is. Okay, we can have this select, but they should have it as buttons as well. Okay, multi-select. The documentation of Ionic is very good, as well as the material design documentation is good, but I know talks that are helpful to read. Let's check the toast component. I'm used to Android, so I'm pretty much impressed of Apple, but Android is the way to go for me. Ion slides, whoa. Oh, that's great, okay. We will definitely have to implement Ion slides. See the releases tab for more information. Yeah, I totally will check it. npm ls package.json. This contains all dependencies and dev dependencies and everything that's not needed for building the application for the final deploy result. This is dev dependency marked, types at React. And while it loads, I would like to use GitHub Actions or GitLab. And even if I have to upload my repository to the public world, it's like DevOps, like a pipeline. And this pipeline includes building, testing, and deploying this application. If I push my changes, it automatically deploys it to the website, and that's pretty helpful. SAP works with GitHub Actions. Cool. I don't want to book those runners. Since I'm a student, I have the educational plan of GitHub, which includes a lot of benefits, and hopefully GitHub Actions too. Unlimited public-private repositories. Cool. Copilot? Yeah, I would like to use the GitHub Copilot. It's an AI to improve everything. It reads your code and suggests new code. That's really cool. GitHub Copilot. Yeah, I would like to use it. Start my free trial. What does trial mean? I don't want to. Okay, you're eligible to use GitHub Copilot for free. That's what I want to hear. Turn it on. 7 get started. Install the Copilot extension. Visual Studio Code, of course. I used Visual Studio and Android Studio for a long time, but this code is the thing to go right now. Whoa, it has 1.8 million downloads. That's quite a lot for the beta. React, who has the Copilot? You know what? Yeah, he was there. More than that's what I wanted to see. Now he's putting my things out for me. I like it. But going back to GitHub, I'd like to see if GitHub Actions. Whoa, I have a lot of repositories. There's the Actions tab. Found it. And now we are ready to use it for React. Ionic, build, deploy, actions, GitHub.